Hello friends, welcome back with one more sentence correction question. This is again one of the official guide questions. Level is medium, range is 650 and concept is pronoun and modifier. Let us understand. It says Miss Wright tries to get inside Iran to understand how it works, the role it has played in the Middle East and its intricate relationship with the United States, which is complex and depends heavily on understanding of the Farsi language. First of all, modifier which. Alright, so which means what? United States or relationship? Fine. By the way, as per rule, which that who modifies its previous noun if it is. So United States, which is complex and depends on heavily on understanding incorrect meaning. What if it is relationship? What if which modifies relationship? In that case, it seems relationship is complex and relationship depends heavily on understanding, that gives incorrect meaning. Why? Because understanding of the Farsi language. So relationship depends on understanding of the Farsi language. That does not have sense. It is something that depends on. So option A out. Option B, because it is complex. What is complex? Is it United States? It is relationship or something else? So it does not have any antecedent. What if we consider relationship? The problem will remain same what was with which. Relationship is complex and depends on understanding of the Farsi language. That is incorrect. Actually, it says the role it has played and something that is complex and depends on heavily on understanding. Now option B out. Option C, it says they are complex. You know that there is no plural noun in the whole passage. So if there is no plural noun in whole passage, they cannot be used. That's called typical pronoun error. Option C out. Option D, same problem, which is complex, either United States or relationship. In both cases, which cannot be used with are complex. Relationship singular or United States singular. So it should be is not are. And you know what if it is yet it cannot be the best option. So option D out. Now option A. Option E, it says a task. That is complex and depends. So the whole passage seems Miss Wright tries to get inside Iran to understand how it works and the role it has played and a task that is complex and depends on heavily on understanding of the Farsi language. So option E is the best option.